Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Carlos. You're in Digital Macropreneur, the channel where we talk about affiliate marketing and ways to make money online. Also, we talk about the mindset. And if you're brand new to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe and share my videos. And I want to talk about something very important, especially for beginners. You need to niche down. What's a niche? It's a category that you pick where you want to promote products to certain people. Okay, the key to niche down is you need to find your dream customer. Okay, because once you know the why and the who, it becomes a lot easier for you guys to find the products and how to promote them. Now, a lot of people will tell you, well, you need to pick health, relationships, and wealth. Oops. So those are the top three niches, okay? But also, there's other niches that are evergreen within these three. And what you need to ask yourself is, what is it that I'm good at? Where can I come up and give people information about? And I can tell you, Audi Productions, he started with headphones. Music is his passion. And he started creating reviews on headphones. And he made a lot of money once he learned how to structure the system and the blog posts in his YouTube videos to actually rank and start having affiliate commissions with Amazon Associate, which is one of the affiliate programs that are out there. You guys can subscribe for free. But as more competitions coming into affiliate marketing and more companies are opening affiliate programs, the competition is getting a little hard in there sometimes. So if you niche down very specifically, you actually can make a lot of money, because there's gonna be always people interested on those products and services. Now think about for a second, and in the previous video I was talking about how you guys can go about this next year on your affiliate marketing business. And one of the things that I told you was the first quarter, and specifically the first month, do your research. Okay, because you can just jump into one affiliate program and start promoting, and then you go, well, I'm not making any money, there's a lot of competition, I don't know how to stand out. If you do your research before and you actually pin where you can actually open a little bit of that competition to come to you, it becomes a lot easier, and then you're gonna start seeing success. For example, in one of the videos, you're gonna see it coming up here, there is software. Okay, now software is one of the easiest thing that you can start promoting, because the software has to be created only one time. Okay, and will never run out of inventory, so you can promote that as many times as you want. Okay, the software is video editing. Okay, who are the people interested in video editing? Well, you are in the YouTube channel. Guess what I use to do my videos? I need to edit my videos, because I will never make a video and it will be perfect the first shot. I gotta make mistakes, and we all make mistakes in the videos, and you'll see the editing on some of the videos. They're cut out, and then try to fix them and make it sound properly so everything makes sense. Well, people on YouTube are interested in video editing. Not only that, but people are creating ads all the time because they need to edit the videos. You always gonna need video editing, but who are you gonna target? Okay, so you can put your services on Fiverr, because people are gonna flock from everywhere for video editing. Or you can start your own YouTube channel and then you have video editing. But the problem is you need to niche down. Okay, there's a few video editing softwares out there, and you got Camtasia, okay, you got Filmora, which is the one I use, and you can take either or and you go learn it. And if you have done your research ahead of time, you will know what keywords people are looking for every time they're looking for Camtasia or Filmora. And there's many different settings on those softwares. I don't know how to use them all. I just realized there's a few things that I can do differently on my videos so they look better and they be more appealing to people, that I'm learning as I go. So once you learn a little something, then you can take these two and you little niching down to like video editing with Filmora, and you can reach out the people that are interested on that, and you will be surprised how many people are actually interested in knowing tricks about Filmora. One of the things that my guy did on the video is he started having a subscription to his I think he's teaching behind the scenes other stuff that he's not releasing on his actual channel. So you can do a subscription based on, you tell people, I have 3 or 4 different things that I can teach you how, and using the editing services of Filmora or Camtasia. And if you sell for $9 a month, you will have exclusive access to it. And also we're gonna have, I don't know, Facebook Lives, or you will receive templates for whatever type of video you want to create. Then you can use that to your advantage. So you can go that route and you have niche down. Now another one is music, and I'm gonna tell you why music, it's pretty good. I always had an appeal for guitars, okay? So maybe you know how to play the guitar, right? Play the guitar. I'm sure if you go into Google, you're gonna search affiliate programs for music, specifically for electric guitars. Let's say electric guitars. And then in your YouTube channel, you are a coach or a teacher how to play the guitar, for beginners. And then you will create videos of, when you put your fingers here is whatever note, and the note, and those are the ones that you put on your channel. And people are interested on playing the guitar. You can actually talk about what's the best, electric guitars that you can use. What are the sounds that you can put there? How can you, amplify? I don't know. Like, that will be something that if you niche completely down to electric guitars and maybe a specific brand. I really don't know. That's why doing the keyword research, doing your research, and doing the market research becomes very specific and very important, because once you get that down, all this, it's a piece of cake. Created the content because you already know what your audience is gonna be, and then from here you can go and actually create a course, right? Maybe you can give it away for free, or maybe you can charge $10, and then your upsell is an affiliate program for music, right? And then maybe that person learn how to play the guitar. Well, you want to learn how to play, I don't know, the violin. I have no idea. Like, you know what? Those are the things that as you move in your business, you will be able to say, well, I can also offer this person, they like music already. Well, you can get them through their email sequences and tell them, by the way, I found this course. Since you know music already and you know how to play the guitar, this is gonna fit perfectly with it. And then you can get your family to, be passionate about music just like you are. And then that's how you gotta create a bond with your kids through music. Well, guess what you did? Relationships, right? It will create that bond with your kids where they're always in the tablet, they're always playing with their phones. Well, how about if we play music together as a family? It could be a passion of someone. And that's how you niche all the way down, but you still gotta make it a relationship, okay? So that's why you need to niche down completely to a very specific audience. Now you're probably gonna think, whoa, maybe there's not many people, I'm not gonna make that much commissions. You'll be surprised, because I personally realized one thing. In the medical field, you got doctors, okay? And everybody gets called a doctor. I work for a hospital, and within the hospital, you got your doctors. But you got your gynecologists, you have your doctors that all they do is deliver babies, all the ones take care of teenagers. And there's doctors for fractured bones. There's doctors that only do surgeries on the back. There's others that only do a specific cyst removals. If you have gastrointestinal problems, there's a doctor specifically for that. And every doctor niche down. So you got doctors, right? You got doctors, but then you got the gastro. Then you got the ones that for broken bones. Which, if you ask me what they're calling, I don't know, and I work in the hospital environment, so that only tells you. But you also have the doctors that take care of plastic surgery. Okay, then you got dental doctors or dentists. Okay, and they are called doctors, but they are very specific to a very niche down customer. So if you do this, if you niche down, you can service your customers the best way possible, because you know this to the core. You know that to every single detail, that you're able to give in that information. And I want you to think that way as a marketer, as an affiliate marketer. Once you niche down, you have a specific knowledge of something. Don't let people tell you otherwise. You know something that people want, that people need to know. Maybe you know a lot about televisions, and people want to buy televisions. But what is the best brand? LG, Samsung, Vizio, and people don't know. So if you want to do electronics and you want to do specifically televisions, or you want to do specifically cell phones, you can do that, and you can make money doing commissions. Apple has an affiliate program. Do you know that Walmart has an affiliate program too? The companies are realizing that affiliate marketing is a very powerful business model, because you and I are doing all the marketing for them. Do you know how much they have to pay for every ad that they put on television? And if you niche down, then you can make even more money, because you're giving people a very specific information on a very specific tool or a very specific program. Like I said with Filmora, with guitars, like doctors, you're gonna go see your general doctor, and you know what? They're gonna be like, well, you need to go see this doctor because it's specific. And then your regular doctor, then you have to have a regular doctor for your kids. so you see how everybody has their own specialty. That's what you need to do with affiliate marketing. Have your specialty and you guys are gonna succeed. And that's what I told you. The first quarter of the year is research, guys. I know you guys want to jump into like, well, how much money can I make with these commissions? Where should I start? You should start by first knowing what category of what niche you want to do. Secondly, go see what your marketplace is doing. Who is the top guy? And work your way down and see what the other ones are doing, because there is room for everyone, because there's one and one thing only that is going to change your business, and that is you. Okay, because we all have stories to tell. We all come from different backgrounds and different countries, and we have that one story that somebody is gonna feel connected with. And you gotta have that connection with your customers through writing your content, through showing them in a video, to contact them through Facebook groups, whatever platform you want to use. And that's the customer, that's your dream customer, the one that's gonna connect with you. Single mothers will connect with single mothers. Single fathers will connect with single fathers. People that come from other countries to the United States might feel like they connect with me because we all come to the United States looking for the American dream. And like I say, we all work full-time jobs, and we want to cut giving our time for money and take our time back so we can spend it with our families. So you have something special. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise, and that I learned last year. You will have people that will connect with you. All you gotta do is, be honest with yourself. Don't try to copy anyone. It's always good to emulate your mentors, because they're already doing something that's successful. But don't go and copy them exactly, because then it loses the point of your message. So I hope you guys realize why is it important to niche down, that you start using that brain of yours for research, for say, well, this is what I want to do, how can I do it? And if you have any questions, guys, leave it in the comment sections. I would love to help you with information. I'm actually in contact with someone that actually communicated in Facebook, and I still got to do a little bit more research on that specific marketplace, but I was able to kind of give her a few ideas of what she could use and do so she can start her own online business in the niche that she picked. And her specialty is something that she went to school for, and some of you might be able to do that, financial advisory for credit cards, how to repair your credit, or how to open a bank account and look for certain specific type of accounts where they're not charging you money for it. Like, guys, if you do your research, you'll be surprised of how many channels are out there and what are the things that you guys can go be affiliate for. So if you want the map of how can you go about this year on affiliate marketing, there's a video coming up right after this one where I went over of how can you split your year so you guys don't get confused and you work your way to be better marketers. Okay, so with that being said, guys, and if you're brand new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed, hit that button that says subscribe. Also hit the notification button, but share my videos, because I want to help as many people as possible to create a business, a sustainable business. Okay, and with that being said, wait for my course, it's coming, and I hope that brings you even more value. So I will see you guys in the next video.